Okay, what we're gonna do tonight, we're gonna roll this transmission up to the back of this engine. And we are going to, hopefully, get it connected here. I got my friend Robbie here, he's helping me. That right there is in the way. I can't be in the way, Robbie.
Well, you need to raise the motor up just a touch.
Raise it up?
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna raise it up just a touch. You tell me.
Whoa.
Right there?
Yeah. I
All right.
need to twist it just a little bit to get the dowel pins lined up. Get you in over yonder.
It's close. Close, but no.
This is on.
It is?
It's bolt.
It needs to come
The
up
bolt.
another.
This bolt right here.
Shoot. Go up just one little lift.
Yeah.
You moving?
Yeah.
Is that enough?
I believe it is.
All right. We're pretty close there. Up. Pretty close.
I got one bolt started.
It is?
Yeah.
Okay. We got a bolt started.
On this dowel pin.
All right. What I get over
You need to tighten this nut just a little bit before we
Okay. What size is that, Robbie?
9/16. 9/16.
Why ain't there a seal between the motor and the,
There's no fluids in there.
oh,
Your side coming together now.
It is coming together.
Not that working. Looking good.
Now, you want me to lift it just a little more?
Oh, yeah, this is almost fine.
It's the wrong size. That's a half-inch socket. We want to lift it up and
So you
get it to where we can.
need to roll this back this way.
Robbie's wanting you to film over here.
Yeah, I hear you.
All right, we're leveling her out here. And we'll put the rest of the bolts in. There we go. That's a trick, isn't it?
I ain't never seen one like that. Yeah, I've done that many moons ago.
All right, right there's the rack. Right below me. Okay.
I would have saved my religion many years ago.
We're gonna get it up in the air a little more where we can work with it. What did we say that was, 9/16? Tighten them up a little more. It's lined up. I ain't gonna tighten it completely up until, see this right here? When it's pushed over, it's hitting this manifold. These manifolds are different car. Yep. So we may have to bend that just a little bit. Will it come in anymore? Nope. Let me put a piece of pipe on it and bend it just a little bit back this way.
Hold that right there. Can you hold that?
Nope. Snugged up, Rob. Then we got two that come in from the other way. Is that the way it works?
I think one of them started over there is.
Maybe. I got a new set of starter bolts right here. Not knowing whether we would have them or not. One of them's a stud,
Okay.
and
One of them you need to put on top for a stud. So there's a pain to get to.
one that goes through there. That's one of these long ones.
This one alone. Is that your star bolts?
Right there. No, you got two starter bolts here.
Okay.
That's the wrong size wrench. Anyway,
That's
that's 9/16.
3 inches
Over in the top, over in the drawer, the open drawer over there. Get out from under there. You know if that thing fell, it can't.
Checking out the progress.
Well, I know, but he can't be a junkyard dog if he's flat. Alright. Bolt on each side from the front.
Next thing on this, I guess, is put the torque converter to the flex plate.
Yep. And you just do that right through this hole, don't you?
Hole there.
Or at the bottom.
At the bottom, or the starter hole you want. Yeah, which one you get to it, Joe? At the bottom.
Alright. Last bolt for having the transmission hooked up. Alright. Whoa, right there. Alright, I
Never
have,
water
I
in
didn't
it.
tighten it, but I've got it.
No.
Yeah, we don't, what was it?
The leg broke.
How tight to make it. Tight as I can.
I always put a box in wrench on it and tap it with a hammer. That's what I used to do.
Tight. Right there's good. Tightening them up, Joe.
Are they all on now?
Well, they're all on, but they're not all tight. We're talking to the backyard specification. Push it still.
You just put a little bit of oil in those spark plug holes when you put those plugs in.
I did. On each one of the
Yeah.
threads.
No, into the holes.
No, but I put oil on the threads. Make sure they. All right.
You get the butter in there.
We have got a
Should have them lock off on them.
yeah. Do you know which one is the stud and which one would be the stud?
Top one should be the stud. Because it's harder to get to. You get to your bottom one, it's pretty easy from underneath, but your top one, after you get your muffler and all that stuff on there.
See it in. So these old engines, they had slow turning starters on them, and this is a starter off a 1987 Dodge Dakota high torque, and somehow they fit right up to it. So I think one of the guys at the hot rod shop told me about that. So we're hoping this one's going to work on this 440 the way it's supposed to. So this is just a stud that goes into the transmission. Really just 2 bolts that holds the starter on. And we're going to run it back to the end of the threads here. It should stop right there. Right. Somewhere along in there, it's got to stop. Let's just run out of threads. There it is. All right. So we'll put the starter up here. This is a starter. If it don't work, we'll get an old-timey starter like came out on the car. This slides right in here like this. You got lock washer for both top and bottom. And lock washer. And that. I am not going to tighten this completely up. It does fit. The bolts are tightening up. The reason is I need to put a starter cable, or not a starter cable, a hot wire that's going to go to the battery on that post next to the engine back there, and it's going to be tough to do it without it being off. All right, guys, we got the transmission hooked up to it thanks to Robbie. He's my helper and my friend. He helped me line this thing up. We got it bolted on. Need to torque the bolts. We've mocked up the starter that we're going to try to use with this thing. Everything. The flex plate is hooked up to the torque converter, and we're about ready to crank this thing. So next time we do a video, we're going to crank it, and it's going to run like a top.